will be teaching you the simple steps how to open the Turbo C++ editor, and then how to use the Turbo C++ editor, and also I'll teach you how to create a simple program, save the program, then compile the program and execute it, and then how to view or display the output. So these are the topics we will discuss. So first, the steps to open the Turbo C++ editor. So the steps to open Turbo C++ editor is, we are supposed to go to desktop, and then we are supposed to directly double click on the icon called as the Turbo C++ editor icon. So you can notice here, practically I'll do it. So here is the icon, Turbo C++ editor icon. We are simply supposed to double click. So when you double click it, so this is the screen you will be able to view. Here we are supposed to click on the option Start Turbo C++ editor. As soon as I click, the editor opens. So in the editor, in order to navigate through the menus, we are supposed to use the keyboard shortcuts. For example, if you want to go to the file menu, you are supposed to press the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F. Similarly, if you want to go to edit, it is Alt E. Same way, Alt S for search, Alt R for run menu, Alt C for compile menu, Alt D for debug menu, Alt P for project menu, Alt O for options menu, Alt W for Windows menu, Alt H for help menu. Similarly, in order to create a new file, select the file menu by pressing the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F, and then using the arrow keys, select the option new, or you can directly press the keyboard shortcut N. When you press that, a new file is created. In order to maximize or zoom the screen, we are supposed to press the keyboard shortcut F5. The same F5 when you press, you will be able to minimize also. Then next, we can start typing the program. So in order to create a comment, we can, that is, if you want to create a single line comment in the program, use slash. So here is the command, write a simple C program. So this is how we comment. Or in order to comment multiple lines, you can use slash star, and then you can mention simple. So for example, the command is C program to illustrate basic structure of a C program. Then star slash. The program, as I explained you earlier, begins with inclusion of directories, that is header files. So you can see here I am including #include stdio.h. stdio.h stands for standard input output header file, and the next line #include conio.h, that is console input output header file. Then we have the main function. The main function, we don't terminate it. Similarly, when we include the header files, we will not terminate it. If you terminate it, it will throw error. Next, clear screen function. So here I am supposed to give the termination, that is semicolon. Next, printf /n as I discussed earlier is an escape sequence. So the message is welcome to C programming world. Then I'll end the statement with a semicolon. Then again I am using the function getCh. getCh stands for get character. Then I end the program with a closing braces. Now to save the program, press the keyboard shortcut F2. So this is how we store So you can select the location also where you want to store. Say I want to store it in C colon slash data, suppose. And then the program name I'm supposed to give program, that is prg1.c. .c indicates that this is a C program. If it is .cpp, then it will be C++ program. So it is telling me the directory is not existing. So let us save it directly in C drive. So in order to compile this program, that is to check whether the program is correct or not, any bugs are there or not, we are supposed to press or use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F9. So you can notice here there is no syntax errors. So it is successfully compiled. Suppose if I make a mistake, say I said we are not supposed to use semicolon in front of the main function. So I have terminated that statement with semicolon. Now let us save this and compile it. So when I compile, you can notice here it is throwing me an error. So the error tells me that the declaration is incorrect. Means that I have not declared the main function correctly. So this is what I was referring to earlier. So I have to correct it. I'm supposed to go remove the semicolon, save it, then again compile it, Alt plus F9. So it is successfully compiled without any errors and warnings. Now the next step is to execute the program. To execute the program, you are supposed to press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus F9. So you can notice here the program is successfully executed and it is displaying me the output, welcome to C programming world. So this is how it displays the output. So again, if you want to view the output, it is Alt plus F5. If you press the keyboard shortcut Alt F5, it will take you to the output screen. So while explaining the programs, I said the trick why we use getch I had explained. Suppose I remove this function getch. What happens? Let us see. I'll save the program. Again, compile and execute. See, now I executed the program. The output actually is displayed, but I am not able to see it. In this case, if you want to go to the output screen, we have to press the keyboard shortcut Alt F5. Then we will be able to view the output. So in order to avoid pressing Alt F5, I am using the trick, that is I am using a function getch. So what happens, the cursor will be waiting for us to enter a key and then only it comes back to the program. So this is a simple trick which we are using. So when I execute now, so it is displaying me the output. So this is how we type a program in C language, save it, compile it and execute. Thank you, students.